So hi there, I actually decided to put some music. I put some Sia. I forgot to press recording in the music, so I embedded some of the songs into the CapCut editing, and I hope you enjoy this. I didn't really wanna stay alone without listening anything or talking because I'm not really well, so hope you enjoy anyways.
A shot in the dark, a past lost in space. Where do I start? The past and the chase. You wanted me down like wolf, a predator. I felt like a deer in love lights. You love me in a frozen time, hungry for that flesh of mine. But I can't compete with the she-wolf who has brought me to my knees. What do you see in those yellow eyes? As I'm falling to pieces. Did she lie in wait? Was I bait to pull you in? The thrill of the kill you feel is a sin. Lay with the wolves alone, it seems. I thought I was part of you. You love me in a frozen time, hungry still pour you a glass of champagne to a girl whose sore legs I met home on my own. Check my phone, Nintendo, act busy, ordering, pay TV.
Once again, Sia!
Clipped wings, I was a broken thing. Had a voice, not a voice, but I could not sing. You wore me down. I struggled on the ground. Oh, so I lost the line.
song. Thanks so much. You're radical. Thanks.
So that was for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. I really wanted to listen to some Sia because she's so empowering and hopeful in her songs, and I really needed that. So hopefully I will be better for something better tomorrow, but I can't promise because I'm really spiritually done inside of me. Anyways, hope you enjoyed, hope you contact me, hope you like this video again, and love you very much. We'll speak to you tomorrow. Bye.